Hi Dry So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Priya from Turning Red. So let's get started. To draw cute Priya, let's first start by drawing a curve for the bridge of her glasses. So I'm going to come right here, right in the middle, and just draw a soft curve. And I'm going to thicken it up right here. And then from there I'm going to draw a big circle. So come right up. And the reason I'm going to make this a big circle is going to have to fit some Draw So Cute eyes in there, right? And also her glasses are nice and round and they are wider than her face. So just want to make this big circle and I come right here and do the same thing. So nice and high. All the way across. Go right here and connect. And I'll just come in here and thicken it up a little bit. So I'll just use my Sharpie line to thicken it up and make it look like the rim of her glasses without drawing another line inside, making it too complicated. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go in here and put in some Draw So Cute eyes. So I'm going to come right here next to this edge a little bit more, and I'm just going to draw a more ovalish circle. That really doesn't matter. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a circle right here because her eyes are a little bit more ovalish. Right there, and same thing over here. So more towards the center. There. So now that we have that, let's put in two small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. Same thing over here. There, now that the circles in her eyes in, let's come to the side. I'm just going to go ahead and just put two small lashes to spruce them up. Nothing fancy. Oh, we could even put some at the bottom. Right here. Just small little ones right there. And then from there, let's draw her nose. So she has a very round nose. So I'm going to come right here on her glasses. And let's say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve, another curve, and then I'm going to go ahead and connect it. So wobble in for center and wobble out. And then to make it round, I'm going to come right here and just very lightly draw another curve right here. There. And then her smile. So right underneath her mouth, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve and slightly goes up for when she is smiling. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go above her glasses. So right where her eyes, her brow, about right here, and really close to her glasses. I'm going to go ahead and just draw her brow. So I'm just going to thicken it up, slightly lower, slightly curving down, I mean. And same thing here. So right here, really close to her glasses, and thicken them up. There. So now to frame her face, I'm going to come into her glasses, this area right next to her eye, and I'm going to basically just draw a little curve. So we're going to start her face. So that's why we needed these glasses to be pretty big. So just going to draw a line about there, a little curve, and I'm going to bring a curve underneath her mouth. So right here, we're going to round it off, just like a bottom of a U. Give her some cheeks. Go right there, and I'll bring it to the center. So go right here, and then go right back up. There. Okay, so now we have the hardest part done. Let's come back to all this area. It's going to be pretty messy, right? Because everything is happening here. We're going to come right back here and we're going to give her some ears. So I'm going to bring in a curve, and as we come down, I'm going to stop and just draw this little curve for her earrings. Right there. I'll just do it like that. I think it's a little bit easier, simpler. So let's do the same thing over here. I'm going to pop out these ears. As we come down, just add this little curve right here. There. Just makes it a lot simpler. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's draw her hair. So we're just going to imagine an oval. So let's say about right here. I'll give myself a point right in the center. And from there, I'm just going to tentatively draw a soft curve. Come back to my center right here, and I'm going to curve up and down right next to her brow. And I'm going to work on this side. So we're going to start to draw her bangs. We're going to go zigzag right into this space. And we're just going to taper everything back in right here. So whatever space you have left. So same thing over here. Go up and down and just start to fill in this space. There. And then let's go to the center. Once again, go up a little bit right there. And we're going to go up and come back down to about here. There. So same thing over here. And bring it in. There. Okay, so finally we have her bangs in. It's a little bit thicker like the other side. And then, okay, so then, you know what, I'm going to come in here. I know this is kind of messy, but it looks like I need some detail in her ear. So I'm just going to put in this curve right here to make sense of that curve right there. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and we're going to draw her body before we finish the rest of her hair. So let's come right in the center and give her a little neck right there. And then we're going to curve it into the center because she has this collar for her outfit, her shirt. Now we're going to come out right here, come down, and let's draw her collar. So let's come down right here, and we're going to curve back up and in. So we do it this way if it's easier, and connect. Then her shoulders come out right here and down. Out and down, just like the other side. There. And let's see here. So now let's find kind of her armpit area. I'll say about right here and here, just tentatively. Doesn't really matter. We just want to know kind of where her top is. And we're just going to give 2 angle lines right there. And I'll bring this down a little bit more. Still angling out. And about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and connect for her shirt. And then about right there, I'll go ahead and connect at the bottom with a curve and come back up right here. So this is her belt, her waistline, I mean, on her pants. And we're going to bring this down. So we're still angling a little bit, and then we'll bring it down. So then from there, let's come down to center, find our center. So say about right here. Give myself a little angle line. This is where her legs are going to start. Right there. So let's start. I'm going to work on this leg. So she has these pants are pretty baggy. So I'm just going to bring it down about right there. So then about right there, I'll stop. I think this is long enough, and about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and connect. So I'm just connecting lower. And the reason I'm connecting lower, so right here I'm going to pop out her shoe, give a little line right there, and then connect. Just to simplify it, because the pants are pretty long. So let's do the same thing over here. All the way down, and once again we're just going to come down. So we're just giving her a little hip, and then we're going to taper in. And about right here, same thing. Go ahead, we'll go up right there, and then to draw her shoes. So come down with a little line right there, curve it out, and connect. From there, let's go ahead and draw her hands. So let's come back to say kind of where her armpits would be. Let's say about right here. And I want her hands to be on her hips. So I'm going to come right here, angle, and then another angle coming down. And then right here, I'm going to angle out. So let's thicken this up for her elbow. Right there, and then come in. And as we come in right here, I'm going to angle out a little bit more, and then a finger. So then for some details, let's give her a little bracelet, and then her shirt ends about right there, the sleeve. Right there. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So same thing right here. We're going to come down to the same area, and we're going to end about right here. So angle this down, give a little angle, and once again we're going to thicken everything up. So elbow, and then bring it in, angle down, and a finger right there. So then for some details on this hand, she has a watch, so just make this band thicker at the center, and then her shirt right there. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's draw in the details. So I'm going to come right here and draw a little rectangle, very lightly, a circle, and actually, you know what, this rectangle goes all the way through. So right here on her shirt, all the way down. And just put a circle over it. And then she has a stripe, so you can do that when you're coloring. And then for some details on her pants, we're going to draw a circle right here. And 2 curves on each side. Draw a straight line down. Curve right there, and then she has these pockets. So on the side, I'm going to draw 2 of them. So same thing on the other side. And 1 more. There. And that, oh, her hair. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now we're going to come back right here, sorry. And we're just going to wave out her hair. And about right there, I'll bring it in. Here and there, I'll just give a little wobble and tuck it in. So same thing on the other side. About right here. Bring it out, and about right there. And just tuck it in, just like the other side. There. Okay, so then you can come in here and draw some of these curves if you like, or you can do this when you're coloring. And I'll add a heart right here. So they're all done. I really hope you love how my version of Priya here turned out, and that I helped you draw her fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe, of course, so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.